Hello everybody, it's Margaret from Silesian Quilt. Today I would like to show you news. I'm very excited because we have a new template, new ruler. This ruler is for feathers and a lot of quilters love feathers. So, one template and 4 different sizes feathers. I'm very excited to use this, and now I would like to show you how to do the feathers. First, I would like to show you maybe 4 inches feathers. So first I draw the line. This feathers is very cool for the border or sashing because we have a smaller 2.5 inch border. It's smaller and the perfect for the sashing. I start here and I'm going to go to this point. Very slowly. Stop here and back to the arrow. I think so. And moving my template. You see, this perfect point. I control the line in the middle, and again I'm going to go to the other side. And again stop and back to the arrow. About. And again move my template. I'm moving my template and going to the other side. And now I'm going to the middle and I change my size, the feathers, the size of feathers. This is a 4 inches feather. This distance between the feathers is 4 inches. And now I try to do 3.5 inches. A little bit down, up, sorry. And more stitches. I control my line in the middle and I'm going here. And again. Stop here and back to the arrow. Stop and moving my template. Control the line in the middle. And again, I'm moving my sandwich and I'm going to go to the other side. And again. Stop to the arrow and move my template, control the line, and again. maybe one more. Move the template, going to the other side. And then stop to the arrow, and I'm change my template 3 inches. Now I will be do 3 inches further, and again I'm going to the other side, stop to the arrow, one stitch back, and moving the template, control the line all time, it's important. I'm going to go to this point and back to the arrow, move the template, and again I'm going to go to the other side, and maybe one more, the last. Move the template, and I change to 2.5 inches. It's small. It will be small and so cute. And stop, move. I repeat. The technique is the same. The sizes is different, but technique is the same. And the last, my last feather. I'm going to go to the middle, and now I will be do the one loop. And now I will be do the straight line. I try. Point to point. Finish. I show you. It's so beautiful and looks good, very good. It's I showed you 3 sizes. The 4 inches here. This one, it's a 4 inches. The next is 3.5 inches. The next is 3 inches, and the last is 2.5 inches. It's so cute. I love this ruler. I love this template. So, see you soon. Bye bye.